Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Apache Airflow is an open source platform for orchestrating complex computational workflows and data pipelines. It allows you to schedule, monitor, and manage workflows in a highly scalable manner. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Airflow to call a Python script within a DAG, directed acyclic graph, which is the fundamental unit of a workflow in Airflow. Before starting this tutorial, ensure that you have the following prerequisites installed. First, let's create a Python script that we want to execute using Airflow. For demonstration purposes, let's assume we have a simple script named my_script.py. Now, let's define an Airflow DAG that will call our Python script. Create a Python file named my_dag.py and define the DAG as follows. In this DAG definition, make sure your Airflow web server and scheduler are up and running. You can start them using the following commands. Navigate to the Airflow UI, localhost 8080 by default, locate the call_python_script DAG, and trigger it manually. You should see the output of your Python script in the logs. Congratulations! You have successfully called a Python script using Apache Airflow. In this tutorial, we learned how to use Apache Airflow to call a Python script within a DAG. By leveraging Airflow's capabilities, you can easily orchestrate and manage complex workflows involving Python scripts and other tasks. This flexibility makes Airflow a powerful tool for building and automating data pipelines and workflows. ChatGPT.